Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Wow, this actually feels really nice in the hand. Does it feel heavy at all? Not really, and that's honestly one of the most surprising things about it because it's incredibly lightweight. The biggest highlight of Sony's launch event was definitely the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII. So let's talk about it, starting with the design.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content. Now let's dive into the unboxing.
Sony went with what they call a natural stone-inspired design language, bringing mineral-like textures onto the phone's surface. It gives the device a classy, premium look, while also making it easier to grip without slipping. The phone is available in 4 colors: obsidian, jasmine, garnet red, and natural gold. The garnet red version I checked out at the event looked absolutely stunning. It stood out immediately, but in a refined and elegant way rather than being too flashy. When it comes to photography, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII keeps most of the camera features from the previous generation, including AI camera work and optical framing, but this time Sony introduced a brand new AI photography assistant. While shooting, the assistant can recommend the best focal length depending on the scene, and it can also suggest different creative looks to help create various moods and styles. On top of that, it even recommends different bokeh effects. In a sense, it feels like having multiple photography coaches built directly into your phone, helping you experiment with different shooting styles. The creative look settings can also be adjusted manually and saved for future use. Powering the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and the phone comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage variants. On the back, it features a triple camera setup that includes a 16mm ultra-wide lens with a 1.156-inch sensor and f2.0 aperture, along with a 24mm wide-angle camera using a larger 1.135-inch sensor and f1.9 aperture. There's also a brand new periscope system designed for both telephoto and macro photography at 70mm and 140mm focal lengths, each paired with a 1.156-inch sensor and f2.8 aperture. Sony mentioned that this periscope lens design is completely redesigned for this generation. All 3 cameras feature 48-megapixel sensors, although the 48mm and 140mm focal lengths output 12-megapixel photos. These are just my first impressions for now. A full detailed review will be coming soon, so make sure to stay connected with the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.